Good evening, guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Daksh and I'm a swing trader. So, today we'll be analyzing the charts of Nifty and Bank Nifty, and we'll also be understanding a few psychological points what happened in Nifty and Bank Nifty, and what can we anticipate for tomorrow. Okay, so we'll be starting with Nifty. So, here's the chart of Nifty. Here's a daily time frame chart of Nifty, and as we guys can clearly see, I've removed all the screeners, all the patterns, and all the drawings. So if we see it on a daily time frame, we can clearly see what happened from here. So from around 25,750, we saw a huge jump in Nifty of around 2,000 points, and after that it has been consolidating for a while. It has been consolidating now for almost uh, 21 days, so that's around 1 month. So yeah, and see, if we go on a 4 hour time frame, we can see that Nifty is not giving a directional move, it's just trying to trap the buyers and sellers. Suppose if somebody bought somewhere around here or somewhere around here after this explosive move, their SLs would have been somewhere around below this candle. So Nifty took out those buyers. If somebody bought somewhere around here, Nifty took their SL somewhere around here. So I think it's just SL hunting going on in the markets right now, and no directional move as such. But my bias is on bullish side only. I've explained it in a lot of my videos now that if Nifty goes below 25,300 levels, I'll be exiting my position. This is the position I've been holding for around 3-4 days now, as you guys already know. And yeah, if you guys want to check out my levels, these are my levels. On the 1 hour time frame, Nifty opened pretty bullish, pretty solid, but it could not surpass this 25,620 level, so it fell down again. It tried to test 25,500 round level, but failed. So tomorrow we could expect, if it opens somewhere around 25,500, we could see a good rally till 25,620, or a continuation rally towards 25,700. But my TP is around 26,000 something levels. So yeah, if Nifty breaks below this, I'm exiting my position and I won't be looking for any short positions because my bias is long only. So yeah, and if I were to draw a trend line from here, you guys can clearly see it has been forming lower lows, no doubt. It has been forming lower highs as well on a shorter time frame. But if you zoom out a bit on a 4 hour or one daily time frame, it is in a consolidation phase right now. So I don't think it'll be good. It'll be wise to buy or short Nifty right now because it's quite undecisive due to all the geopolitical reasons, and we can clearly see them on the charts as well. So yeah, that's that. And the weekly time frame is still bullish. If this candle, it is very high probability that this candle closes in positive around 25,800 levels. So that will be really good for Nifty. We can see this all-time high. We can see Nifty approaching 26,330 in the coming few weeks. And one more technical point. We can see this trend line. It has been forming for quite a while, and I've mentioned it a lot of times before also. So Nifty is consolidating near this lower end of the trend line only. As you can see, around 25,400 levels. It has tested 3 times now. So if it breaks out, if it gives a solid breakout above 25,700 or 25,800 levels, 26,300 levels can be seen soon. And I'll also be updating on my Nifty positions, so you guys can see how I manage that position. It doesn't matter if it's a winning position or a losing position, but yeah, we're going to be staying focused on the process. Now Bank Nifty. See, Bank Nifty is more bullish than Nifty because Nifty is also affected by other Nifty sectors like Nifty IT, this and that. And IT is the most driving sector for Nifty right now. It gave a huge fall yesterday, so that's why Nifty is behaving such a way. And Bank Nifty is quite bullish. It has been forming this pattern. It's also consolidating. It took exact support from our 60,880 levels. I have mentioned this level a lot of times. You guys can mark it in your charts. Maybe it's helpful to you guys. So yeah, if it breaks above 61,300, we can go for a TP of all-time high around 61,700. And it's not a very far-fetched target. It's around 400-500 points. If Nifty starts to rally, this is gonna jump like anything. And one more interesting sector I'm inclined towards is this pharma sector. As you guys can see on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, it has given this beautiful breakout. It was very bullish for the past couple of months. It was consolidating for around as you guys can see, for around 1.5 year it has been consolidating, and it did give a fake breakout. It's not exactly a fake breakout. The candle couldn't close above the trend line, so yeah, I mean, but now this reversal, this V-shaped reversal is very crucial, and this is a pattern I really like to trade. When it failed to break above this trend line, and now with full force, with a nice bullish candle, it's trying to break it again. But do not take any trade if the weekly candle is closing below this trend line again. So yeah, accordingly you can filter out some stocks also. I'll be looking out for Sun Pharma and Cipla primarily, and if I take up any trades in those stocks, I'll be updating you guys. So my Insta, my social handle links are being displayed, so you can follow me there. I'll be updating on my trades over there. And in the finance sector, in CNX Finance, we can see this pattern forming. Yes, it is considered an often bearish pattern if it closes below this. But right now, seeing Nifty and Bank Nifty, I don't think that's I mean, there is a probability, but it's probably less, and the probability of it testing its all-time high is a bit more. So yeah, this is this pattern. You can keep a watch or add it to your watch list. So yeah, that will be all for today, guys. Let's see where Nifty opens tomorrow. If it opens at above 25,500, where we may be adding some more positions to Nifty. So yeah, that will be all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching.